wire support, and the plastic boat bottle, adhesive tape, wire to support the cover, and tube. The small one is already inserted into the long tube. The instructions are very straightforward. So, let's go to assembly! First, prepare the plastic boat and double adhesive tape to hold the foam. Next, the other double adhesive tape to secure the handle. Just like this. Next, let's install the bottle holder and double check the alignment. Next, we need clean water to put in here. Water should be in half. Cover the bottle, then add the wire support. Next is the tube. The smaller one should be outside. Insert the tube all the way in. And place it onto the boat. There you go. Let's go and test it. But wait, we need this lighter to light the candle. Remember, ask grown-ups for help because this is dangerous. Let's fire up the engine and play! Again. Oh, it's a bit windy. Here we go. Barely moving because the fire is missing the bottle because of the wind. Come on, little buddy, no more fire. Let's try again later.
2,000 years later.
Good morning. Today is a pretty good day because it's not windy. So, let's go! Look at that. It's like a cannon shooting hot water and steam. This is fun! Did you know steam is a water vapor into which water is converted when heated? Very interesting, right? For more interesting videos, like and subscribe! Handle is depleted and out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.